Shirts I got off Amazon for under $10.
First, let me show you how I found all of these shirts. I started by going to my Amazon account and searching shirts under $10 women. So I started filtering through and looking $7, $8. I wanted more print t-shirts, so I skipped the plain ones. There's one with a mouth on it, not really my style, but $7.99 is definitely my price. So then I went to the bottom and I looked at other items I might like. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Everything is over. Oh, $9.87, but still plain. I wanted print shirts, so now I typed in Be Kind because that's a shirt I've been wanting. So I'm looking for anything under 10 or less. Here's one for $9.99. This one's actually really cute. I might get that one, the flower one. Be brave, be bold, be kind. That's cute too, but this flower one's really cute. I'm just gonna add that to my cart and let it sit for a few days. Sometimes the price will drop or it'll have like a 5 or 10% off, and that's how I get it for under 10. Careful though, because it could go up. I had that happen to me once. Now this shirt is $8.57. I'm taking a look at it and I'm seeing that only one size is on sale, because if you look at small, medium, large, they're all $12.99, and it looks like only the XXL is $8.57. So not my size, but I'm going to scroll down again to the bottom at the suggested items that I might like, and this right here, this RBG shirt, is definitely my style. $9.99. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my cart and just hope that in a day or two that they offer a 5 or 10% discount. Never know. If not, $9.99 is still a great price. And that's how I was able to find all these shirts for under $10. Let's take a look at them.
Okay, first one. This one was $6.50 with tax, $7.07. Cotton is stretchy and soft. I might roll this up. Over here. Yeah. But can't go wrong for $7.07. Oh yeah. Coffee, need it all the time, must have. Next one, this one was $8.99 with tax, $9.78. Good vibes. Fabric is super soft. Love this one. Don't need to roll it up, I don't think. Or maybe, never know. Tuck it in. Oh yeah. I love this one. You're not gonna believe the price. $6.99. It is, let me look at my notes, $7.60 with tax. Just a plain V-neck with pocket. This part is sewn up, so it looks like you rolled your sleeves up. You don't have to worry about it falling, but super cute, soft, flowy. Yes, definitely yes. And the price is right. Okay, next one. Oh gosh, gray bangs, Forever 41, but Be Kind. This is a Be Kind shirt. I've always wanted one. It is, let me look at my notes, $7.54 with tax, $8.20. $8.20 for this Be Kind shirt. Probably should roll this up. Oh yeah. School is starting next week. I'm a teacher, so definitely going to be promoting kindness. It's a little wrinkled here, but love it. Okay, last one. This one is a little over $10. It was $10.71 with tax. It is $11.65. It's another Be Kind shirt. Couldn't resist. It had this pretty flower print. What should I do? Should I keep both? I'm thinking I could keep both. It doesn't hurt to have two Be Kind shirts. But the other one was $8.20 with tax. This one is $11.65 with tax. Keep both, return, keep both. I like the flowers though, but it doesn't fall under the category of under 10. Oh, my hair is messed up. So what do? I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep both. YOLO! Okay, so I will link all of these down below in the description. And if you liked what you saw, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. You could also find us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok at The How To Duo. And for more how-tos, visit our blog at thehowtoduo.com. Thanks for watching.